Hi, it's Michelle again. We're back with another lesson, and today we're showing what some things look like as far as how they look in print, how you're going to type them up, and then how you're going to export them into Duxbury. So these are a page of notes, and I missed something, so I'm going to type that in real quick. Okay, so there's no way for me to type in absolute value. I can't find the symbol for that, so I'm just leaving the symbol out of the print. However, when we go to, and so I'll just have to add it when we go to Duxbury. So I'm gonna finish doing these. Equals 11. So again, I'm just typing in what is here. Oops. And we had said before, if you are simply just going to plug and chug, this program will work fine for you. But we're going to try to find some shortcuts and try to make sure that this works. Now, if you notice, oops, this is an exponent. G cubed, or G to the third power, and all of that expression within the parentheses is squared. So I'm not doing that, as you can see. I am going to just write it out this way. Now, if I wanted to, I could highlight that, do home. I can make that a subscript. So we're going to see how that works when we get to the translation. So I'm going to take that subscript off, so everything else is coming back. And as you can see, it didn't do it. Okay, so oops. So we're going to do it that way, and then we're going to do it another where we did it where I just wrote the G. I'll have to go back in and do it by hand in Braille. Then I did this superscript, excuse me, and then we're going to do it one other way to see if any of those work out well. And right here where we're going to do the 2/3, we're going to go to the insert. I'm going to put an equation. You kind of can't see. I'm going to show it real quick. The equation tools. Equation tools, this is script. This is the one that I want. And so this pops up right here. And since this is going to be the 2, and then this is going to be cubed, I'm going to click out of that box. and I'm just going to put another 2, even though I know I need to erase that. Equals so this is the first set of notes. I'm going to get rid of that. I'm going to open up a Duxbury file. I still need you. And I'm going to open a new file. And we're gonna copy all this and paste. Okay. We're gonna do things like we always do. We're gonna make this the title, which we want centered. Remember, if you want to watch how to do that or learn that a little bit better, you can always check out the video that I'll link. We'll also set the margins. Again, you can watch the video. So here we are with the print. We're going to look and see if there are any codes. Nope, just the ones we just put in, just the centered and just the 3-1. So we are going to take that off so we don't see it. And now we are going to translate. Real quick when we're looking, see how this says, remember how we did it a couple different ways. This is the one that we used the equation for. This is the one that I just wrote next to, this is the one I wrote next to it. And this is the one I wrote as a superscript. So let's see if any of them stuck. So we're going to translate. And we're going to start looking, we're going to start checking. So we have our literary information as far as what assignment we're doing. So here we are, we have the 3, and the 3 has nothing there, so we need to add the absolute value symbol. And one thing I can do, I can highlight that, and so every time I need to put that, I can just copy and paste. So I don't have to type it each and every time that I do this. That was absolute value. 1, 2 equals. So this was an absolute value. Oh, no, that was not. That was x equals 2. This was an absolute value. 2 plus 9. The absolute value of 2 plus 9 equals the absolute value of 11. And I'm just double checking it on. Oops. And just so you can see what I'm doing, I have another print copy that is next to me. So I'm checking it, but so you can see what I'm doing. The absolute value. Now, if you look down here, that's not what's coming out. this is what's coming up. So if I'm looking at what the absolute value is, the value of 11, where was I? Equals 11. So we're going to go to the next one, m plus the absolute value of n plus 1 when m equals 3, put a space there, because we know anytime we have a equal sign or comparison sign, there has to be space on both, and n equals 4. So we have 3 plus the absolute value of 4 minus 1. Equals